In today's video, I'll teach you how to pause YouTube watch history on PC. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in youtube.com, press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of YouTube. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to pause the YouTube watch history, it is actually very simple. At least you'll be able to find various options over here. If you do not see the option, simply click on the three lines. After you do that, what you have to do is find this option for history and click on it. Now after that, you'll be able to access your watch history over here. If you want to pause the watch history, what you have to do is click on this option, pause watch history. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. What you have to do is click on this option, pause, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, your watch history will be paused and the videos will not show up on the watch history anymore. So like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you pause YouTube watch history on PC. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.